Today I'm going to teach you how to send videos on Gmail. Whether you're sharing a quick clip with a colleague or sending a memorable moment to friends and family, Gmail makes it simple to attach or link videos directly in your emails. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and sign into your Gmail account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, you'll see your inbox displayed on the screen. Now, locate the Compose button in the top left corner of your screen and click it. This opens a new email draft where you can begin crafting your message and attaching your video. With the Compose window open, look at the bottom toolbar where you'll find several icons for formatting and attachments. Click on the Attach Files icon, which looks like a paperclip. This action opens a file dialog on your computer, allowing you to browse through your folders and files. Navigate to the location where your video is stored and select the file you want to send. Keep in mind that Gmail has a 25 MB size limit for direct attachments, so if your video is smaller than that, you're good to go. Click Open, and Gmail will begin uploading the video as an attachment to your email. However, if your video exceeds 25 MB, you'll need to take a different approach. Instead of attaching the file directly, click on the Google Drive icon at the bottom of the Compose window. It's represented by a triangle shape and sits alongside the other attachment options. This opens your Google Drive library, where you can browse and select the video file you want to share. Once you've located your video in Drive, click Insert. This adds a link to the video in your email rather than attaching the full file, which bypasses the size restriction and makes it easier for recipients to access larger videos without clogging their inbox. Now that your video is attached or linked, take a moment to review your email, add the recipient's email address in the To field, and don't forget to include a clear subject line that describes what you're sending. This helps your recipient understand the purpose of the email at a glance. Once everything looks good, hit the Send button to share your video. And that's it. You've successfully sent a video through Gmail, whether as a direct attachment or a convenient Drive link. Thanks for watching.